morning. It is Wednesday morning, 8:30 in the morning. We're on the road. We're on 33 East, headed to Myrtle Beach from Columbus, Ohio. We're headed to pick up our new fifth wheel. It's a Keystone Montana Legacy. Morning, fam. We are back at the Hazelwood residence. My in-laws, her parents, in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Got Mocha with us. She's gonna stay here for the day while we go get breakfast. She's so happy to see them every time. This is exciting.
Good morning.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey.
So we got her mom a coffee maker that has the K-cup and the normal pot. And we got it for Christmas, wrapped it up. And I told Andrea it'd be funny if we got to their house and they had a new coffee maker. Because we were arriving like the day before Christmas or the day before Christmas Eve. So we get to the house and of course they have a brand new coffee maker that does both. So we returned it, got something else, got her stuff for her Cricut machine and materials, but I thought that was kind of funny. We had a last minute do a switch up on the gifts.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call it quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You.
So we're all settled in into Ocean Lakes here in Myrtle Beach.
This is Mocha. She's an old lady.
I don't think we formally introduced ourselves. If you don't know us already, most likely family and friends will be watching this, but for those that don't know us, I'm Alex.
I'm Andrea.
And this is Mocha, our 9-year-old Cavapoo. Cavapoo, King Charles Cavalier Spaniel, and Poodle. Because everyone always asks, what's a Cavapoo? Everyone thinks she's a golden doodle. But anyways, we're settled in here to Ocean Lakes, here in Myrtle Beach. We're here until January 2nd. We had Christmas and whatnot. We just took some time to settle in, did a Target run, bought everything we needed. And she wanted to buy a few things for the kitchen and whatnot. Placemats for the dinette. Just random things, but we're all settled in now, so we're just chilling until the 2nd, and then on the January 2nd we'll be moving to North Myrtle Beach RV Resort. Check it out. Seems like they have some really cool stuff there. Well, we picked up the fifth wheel, the Montana, on the 26th, I believe, and everything's been going pretty smooth. It's actually been the smoothest so far this is now the 5th RV that we've had, but this has been the smoothest move-in. There's not too many issues, a few cosmetic things, but Camping World here in Myrtle Beach is hopefully going to take care of them. They've been pretty good to us so far. We got a little hitch situation we're trying to handle. Yeah, it's been pretty smooth, not too many issues. Andrea's laughing at me because she knows this is very, very awkward for me. I'm usually the guy behind the camera, operating the camera. I'm not usually the one in the camera. I'll tell you one thing, there are a lot of Montanas out here. One of the reasons why I bought the Montana, because they said it was one of the top selling fifth wheels in the country. Just taking a little cruise on the golf cart.
Cruise with the cruises.
Cruise with the cruises. It's pretty chill here. This guy behind us has a radio on his golf cart, pumping some country music. Yeah, so the beach is right along the back side here, the campground, the whole stretch. So we're gonna go check out the beach now, take the dogs, and we can play in the sand. So this is the quieter side of Ocean Lakes. Basically, it's just houses on this side, no RVs. Got a little canal there. From my understanding, a lot of these are rentals, but some of these actually people live full time and own them. Or if they're not there at their vacation home, they actually have the option to rent them out. Hi.
Hi.
Andrew is really digging this weather. It's a lot better than Columbus, Ohio weather.
It is.
New Year's weather, 70 degrees. So, giving us a second chance. They said maybe they just finger tightened it and never torqued it. So we'll see if they fix it. But they're gonna come fix it. If you have any issues, then they told me to call back. But I'm just gonna settle with that and just take their word that it should be a good hitch, because they said they sell thousands of them, have never had issues. So hopefully it works. They're gonna come and they were nice enough to give me a card for the mobile tech anytime we need to take it on or off. I'll tell you guys the whole story later. Forgot to bring the GoPro, so I'm just gonna use my phone. We're having a good time, just cruising around. Nothing spectacular, just enjoying the weather. It's like 73 degrees, so it's perfect slingshot weather. But, going to visit the in-laws. First, we had to get Starbucks. Alright, so we just had dinner, and we're gonna take Dookie on a walk. Her name's Mocha, we call her Dookie sometimes, because she likes to Dookie. But